Hello guys, welcome. So in today's video we are going to be looking at this boom and crash scalping strategy. So in today's strategy I'm going to be giving you guys settings for the strategy and how the strategy works. Also we offer an exclusive strategy for serious 5 traders, and if you get the exclusive strategy you're also going to have the opportunity to join our premium WhatsApp group, which you can get premium signal from us. Okay, so stick around and make sure to watch this video to the end. And again, if you are a forex trader or you are just starting your forex journey, I am going to leave a link in the description down below so you can check the link out to sign up for the best broker you can be used for your forex trading. And this broker is going to give you a $30 no deposit bonus if you sign up with them and verify your account. Okay, so the link is in the description down below so you can check it out. So that being said, let's proceed with the strategy. Now the first thing we are going to do is to look out for the settings, and I'm going to show you guys settings for the strategy in a couple of minutes. So what we have to do is just click on this icon as seen at the top. So when you click on it, this is where you are going to be adding all your indicator up. So in this video we are going to be dealing with just 3 indicators, and this is all the indicators we are going to be dealing with. Now the first one, which is this one right here. So at the way this up, you click on this F5 one right here. We search for moving average and this is the parameters. And the period is 25, shift is 1, method is exponential, apply to close. And for the style, join color of your choice and click on save. So that is the first indicator we are going to be using. Now moving on to the next indicator, which is going to be the MACD. And the way this up, we click on this F icon right here. We search for MACD and this is the parameters. And the fast EM is 18, the slow EM is 23, the MACD SM is 11, apply to close. And for the style, use any color of your choice and click on save. So that is the second indicator we are going to be adding. And for the third indicator, which is going to be the Bollinger Bands, at the behind this up, you click on this indicator on the one left plus. You search for Bollinger Bands and this is the parameter. And the period is 150, the deviation is 1.400, shift is 2, apply to force previous indicators data. For the style, use any color of your choice and click on save. So if you use the same color that I use, the chart is going to look like this. And if you also use the different color, the chart is going to look like this. So I'm going to show you guys how we work on this strategy right here with these recent trades on the price. Now here within this strategy, you always aim for 10 to 20 candles when you're trading with the strategy, and this is the settings, the setup that you are looking for when you're trading with the strategy. Now for the zoom level, before I forget, when you zoom out completely, just zoom in 2 times and then you are good to go. Now firstly, you want to see the MACD at the oversold region. It has to be at the oversold levels. Okay, so when we see the MACD at oversold level, which is have to be at the top, when the MACD is at the top, we are now looking for a selling opportunities Now if you decide to take any trades, you want to see the MACD at the oversold region, and the next thing we want to see is the MACD move inside the Bollinger Bands line. It has to move inside this Bollinger Bands line. So inside this line right here, we want to see the moving average move, the MACD move inside of it. So when the MACD move inside of it, then the next thing we do is to look into our main chart for a confirmation of our entries. Now what is that confirmation? Now once we confirm that the MACD has moved inside the Bollinger Bands line with the volume, then the next thing we do is to wait for the candle to close below the moving average, which this candle was responsible for the close below the moving average. Now after you close below the moving average, you don't just enter immediately. You are now waiting for another 3 candle to close below the moving average. So which is this candle, this candle, this candle, and this candle right here. So after this candle close, then we enter right at this candle. So we enter right at this next candle. After this candle, this candle, this candle, and this candle close, we enter right at this candle right here. So this is our responsible candle, which we are going to enter our trade from. So we enter our trade and we only aim for 20 to 10 candles and we close our positions. So that is how we trade with this strategy. Now I'm going to show you guys another trade example, and I'm going to do that on crash 1000 index. Now this is how we trade with the strategy on crash 1000 index. So we are still looking for the same setup. Now this is how we trade with it. Now the first thing we do is to wait for the moving average to be at the overbought levels. When the MACD should be at the overbought levels. When it's at the overbought levels, then we are waiting for the MACD to come inside the Bollinger Bands line. You have to come inside the Bollinger Bands line, between this line right here. You have to come inside of it. So when you come inside of it, then the next thing we do is to look into our mention for our confirmation entries. Now for our confirmation entries, we always wait for the line to move above the moving average with this candle right here. So after the candle moves above the moving average, then we count another 3 candles. So after this candle close, we get to another candle, and this candle right here. So our responsible candle which we are going to enter our trade from is this candle right here. So we enter our trade with this candle. We target 20 to 30 candles and we close our positions. Very simple and very straightforward strategy, and that is how we trade with this strategy right here. So I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on post notification and type post strategy. You guys will be aware. Thank you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.